Some trust in chariots and horses, says David, but let them have their chariots and horses, he says. For we have something greater. We trust in the name of the Lord our God. And this is good news, for even the best chariots and horses fail. Even those at the peak of their powers stumble and fall. But that is not the portion for those who look to the Lord. For even in the times where we stumble, the Lord will not let us fall. And even in the times when we feel weak, His strength is made perfect in our weaknesses. So do not look to the chariot or the horses, and do not despair when they are not there. You trust in the name of the Lord your God.